Welcome back, guys. Today we're changing rear lower control arm on the Impreza. Bent it up in the woods, bottoming out on some rocks. It's kind of hard to tell from the back, but I'll jack the car up, pull the tire off, and we'll get started. Now I took the nuts off these 3 bolts here. So once you get those off, you just want to put your jack underneath, take a little bit of weight off it, and this front bolt at the knuckle will come loose. You can pull that straight out. Then you can start to lower it down. You'll lower the jack down a little bit. And this bolt should also slide out as the first one did, but where it's bent, it's stuck in a little bit, so you just pry that out. Bolt will come right out of your strut. Then you can move your jack, hit the arm down, and push the rear bolt out. There you go, the arm's removed. You can see it's a little bit bent down the length of it there, so I'll grab my new one, put that in. Now we got our new arm in place. Just have this one bolt in the back holding it. So we'll jack it back up. Make sure the arm and the strut are lined up and it's not hitting on the knuckle. You can jack that up. Grab your bolt. Slide that in. And then do the same thing with the knuckle. Get in place. Grab your bolt. And then you tighten everything up and you're good to go. So there you go, guys. We got rid of our old bent control arm. Got the new one on there. All you have to do now is torque your wheel and you're ready to hit the road again. Please like if this video helped. Thanks for watching.